So today our topic is about the process at wastewater treatment plant. Okay, so we all know that what is mean by the sewage. So sewage is nothing but the wastewater released from the different activities of the society. Nothing but hospitals, industries, schools, offices, homes, etc. is known as a sewage, right? So this sewage is having number of microbes, causative different pathogens which may cause the different diseases to the human beings. If we directly release them into the water systems such as rivers or lakes or ponds, etc., it also pollutes the water bodies, right? So to prevent the water pollution, so what it is necessary to treat them, remove the contaminants, pollutants from the water, then it is safe. Okay, so what actually done at the wastewater treatment plants? So step by step we will discuss. There are several stages, okay, in the process of wastewater treatment. In the stage 1, the water is passed through some bar screens. Nothing but the water is passed through some bar screens. So what happens? Some big articles such as papers, sticks, rags, cloths, etc. Big iron articles which will be separated by the bar screens, right? Then after, the remaining water is transferred into one tank which is called grit and sand removal tank. So in this what happens, somewhat big solid particles will be settled at the tank, right? So after that the water will be transferred into the another tank. It is considered as stage 3. Okay, water is transferred into the large tank. Okay, so in which solid particles will be settled down by the process of sedimentation. Okay, after this from this large tank the water is separated. Okay, water is separated to another tank. The clarified water is separated and sludge is separated by the skimmer. Okay, so by the skimmer, so sludge is separated, clarified water is separated. You know, clarified water having 97% of water. How much percentage of water? 97% of water, right? So then after this sludge is nothing but it contains dissolved solid particles such as human feces, animal dung, excrete of animal and plant wastages, which all dissolved in the water and it is called as sludge, right? So this sludge having multiple advantages to us. So actually it is a waste material which is coming from the sewage, but it is too useful to us. One is the sludge is used to produce biogas. Okay. Then this biogas is used to produce electricity, and this biogas is used to as a fuel. Okay, fuel. Okay, to run vehicles and to do cooking at homes, right? And to produce electricity. But different multiple advantages are there by the sludge. Then talk about clarified water. So clarified water again through the clarified water oxygen is pumped. So when the oxygen pumped through the clarified water, what happens? A kind of bacteria starts to grow there. What is that bacteria? Aerobic bacteria. It is called aerobic bacteria. In the name itself meaning is there. In the presence of oxygen, it grows. Okay. While the bacteria is growing, it consumes the still smaller and minute solid particles in the water. Okay, so that water will be clear or pure. Okay, so aerobic bacteria consumes wastewater still present in the water. So then after we will obtain the pure water in the stage 7. Okay, still any solid particles, human feces or inorganic wastages will be present in the water, that will be settled at the bottom. This is separated, okay, by the mechanism, and this is called activated sludge. And this is having 97% of water in the activated sludge also. So after this sludge will be dried. Okay, sludge will be dried in the sunlight. That dried activated sludge is used as a manure in the agriculture. Okay, so let me ask questions. What is mean by the sewage? Shabir? Wastewater. Sit down. Akshara. In clarified water, how much percentage of water will be? 97%. Very good. Sit down. The first step of the sewage treatment, water passes through dash. In the first step, first stage, water passed through dash. Bar screens. Very good. Thank you.